This is a 1931 Indian chief delivered to Austria, Vienna, to the factory of Max Porges, who made this sidecar. This is an original paint. This combination was thrown out in the rubbish to be taken away, as in traditional Austrian style, every month the rubbish is collected. A man found it, swapped it for a couple of cases of beer, and the bike ended up in Scotland. I'd always heard of the myths of this motorcycle, and I went to Scotland to find it, found it belonged to a friend of mine called Alan Forbes, who is Mr. Indian of England, and I was able, after some time, to purchase this bike from him, and now it stands here in the museum. It's incredible to think this is 1931 and has never been repainted.